Hey guys, few friends from Bitscoa hostel came over and this is what they had to say.
Like, share, and subscribe.
So we got a new cook and this is the paneer that she has made.
Wow, yeah, it smells good, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah. Smells like?
Like kothambir, bro.
Yeah, obviously, bro.
Hey guys, in today's video we'll be talking about how we started our very first startup back in like second, third year of college, and then it did not turn out well, it sort of failed, but we learned a lot of things. Here's a quick backstory. Back in first and second year of college, Shreyans and I used to freelance. I used to build websites and Shreyans used to write blogs. And during that time, someone said that they need a chatbot. And that's when we realized that, hey, chatbot's something new, maybe we should give it a shot. Also, for those of you who don't know what a chatbot is, whenever you go to a website, you might have seen a small icon and there's a bot that automatically chats with you and automates the process. That's what a chatbot is. There was a competition at BITS. It was called Shark Tank Bitscoa, where you were supposed to go and pitch your business ideas. And we went with this idea of building a chatbot. And accidentally, we won the competition. There was a prize money of 6,000, and winning the competition just motivated us to move into the chatbot space and explore more about it.
After that, we took the prize money and we sponsored our trip to go to Planet Hollywood, a hotel that we were going to pitch to. We were all geared up, we had all of our pitch deck, our slideshows, everything ready, and when we went over there, the meeting went well. But at the end, the hotel managers didn't really want to trust a couple of second year BIT students. So when we came back to the hostel room and we started cold calling. We cold called hundreds of people, different industries, hospitality industry, edtech industries, hotels, clinics, but it didn't really work out. So once we had a couple of clients and we started making chatbots for them, we started gaining a little bit more confidence that we could handle these type of clients and do more. So there was another pitching competition called Conquest, which is a pitching competition hosted by BITS Pilani for student entrepreneurs. And this time we were in the top 10 startups within India, and we got mentored by some of the greatest entrepreneurs in our generation. After Conquest, we decided to go all in into WhatsApp chatbots, and that's where Keenan came into play.
So while Shreyans and Harish were working on getting clients and preparing pitch decks, me and Vineet were working on building the platform. So what exactly was the Ulog platform? So it was a no-code, drag and drop platform to make a WhatsApp chatbot. So it's a little more complex to make WhatsApp chatbots by code because not everyone has a tech team to handle this kind of integrations to your website or your company.
So as Keenan mentioned, there were a lot of issues with Ulog that we faced, a lot of obstacles. And one of the first ones was that we were trying to solve a problem which we had no idea about. We had not faced this problem personally, and hence we didn't know the details of how to solve it. The second problem we faced was the onboarding time, like Keenan mentioned. For every one customer, it took us almost 20 days plus hours and hours of work. So to onboard 100 clients or 1,000 clients, imagine how long it would have taken us. We tried to scale it, but it just wasn't as scalable as it should have been. And the last reason was that we were second year students trying to sell to businesses. And there's a lot of credibility and trust when it comes to selling B2B sales. And for these reasons, we realized that why not we take a break from this and sort of work on solving a problem which we as students face.
And that's why we built BlueLearn. BlueLearn has over 50,000 students from across 3,500 different schools and colleges, learning new skills, making new friends, and becoming future builders and creators of India. Do join the community, the link is given right here.
What do we have to say? What do we have to say?
Like, share and subscribe. I mean, your call, whatever you want to say.
Also,